Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to activate adaptive brightness on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to open the settings of course, and then in the settings page, tap on the display options. Now we'll see here the adaptive brightness, and to activate you just have to tap on the button beside it like this, yeah guys. So the brightness will follow the lighting around the device, yeah guys. If this one is surrounding the darkness light, the brightness will be automatically decreased, yeah guys. And if this phone is surrounding the increased light, the brightness will automatically increase like this. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.